Alright guys, so today looking at this question here is actually a mean question. Now it says that the marks scored by some students in a test are 4678949, and we're being asked what, find the mean. So we're being asked to find the mean in this question. So how do we go about this? Now mean question is very simple to go about. Basically what we're doing is just adding all of these numbers that we have here in this section here. We're dividing it by the total number of digits we have here. What I mean by digits is how many of these do we have here? This is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I'll show you. Let's go straight to the question, to the solution. Now as I said earlier, we're adding all of these: 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9, then plus 4 plus 9. Now divided by what? 8. The number of digits we have in our question is 8, divided by 8. Now if we have to add this, all of this should give us 56. You can also try doing the calculation by yourself. Then what we have here is 8. Now if we have to divide this, so our final answer will give us what? 7. This here 1, this here is 7. Our final answer is 7. So that's our final answer. So whenever you have a question like this, it's very easy to go about.